So I think the way a tsunami wave propagates and the way a wave propagates in a wire through the electrons are similar and interesting. A tsunami, the wave can travel far faster than the water molecules are moving. And the same thing in a wire. The electrons don't actually move that fast, but the wave propagates very fast. There's huge numbers of water molecules involved in this wave, and the same thing in the wire. There's huge numbers of electrons, and the volume of the electrons lets it have an effect far in front of the electrons. And the same, huge numbers of water molecules, it's a much wider thing. Anyway, it's interesting. The water molecules are doing a transverse wave, and the electrons are a longitudinal wave. They're going forward and backwards along the wire. But some similarity that seems worth thinking about.